Hi friends, welcome to Data Info. In this video, we will talk about one of the most important SQL interview question from Infosys. So the question is basically, if you see, they will provide one source table. So by using the source table, we need to generate this particular output. So let's understand what is the source table, what kind of data it is having. So if you see here, this data is related to airline industry. You will see customer details, the flight details, and the source and destination, origin and destination. So basically this particular passenger, he is traveling in this particular flight and is going from this place to this particular place. So by using this source table, we need to generate this particular output. So let's see what is this output means. So in our source table, we have two passengers, customer ID 1 and customer 2, two passengers. Okay. And these two are traveling in different flights. That's okay. But if you see customer 1, he is traveling from Delhi to Mangalore. Basically, he is traveling from Delhi to Mangalore. But for example case, there is no direct flight from Delhi to Mangalore. So he is going through the connecting flights, Delhi to Hyderabad, then Hyderabad to Kochi, and Kochi to Mangalore. This is his journey. Okay. In between, he is changing the flights. Okay. But the source is this one. The origin is this one. The first place is this one. And the last place is Mangalore. So that is what we need to capture. For this customer, what is the first place and what is the last place. So let's change this one. This should be Mangalore. And go to the second customer. So second customer going from Mumbai to Delhi. Okay, Mumbai to Delhi. This is correct. So this is what we need to generate. So for generating this particular output, we need to write a SQL query. So let's see how we can achieve this particular requirement. So same data you will see for passenger 1, Delhi and Mangalore is there, and passenger 2, Mumbai and Delhi is there. Okay. So let's write the query. Before writing the final query, I will tell you the approach, how we can solve this question easily. So if I get this question, I will solve in 3 steps. So I will tell you those 3 steps. Step 1 is I will generate the row number. For each customer, I will generate the row number. Why I will generate the row numbers means you will get to know in couple of minutes. So first step, in easy way, I will generate row number for each customer based on the partition. This column, I will generate the row number. This is my step 1. So let's write the query for step 1. Okay. Let's write the query for step 1. So we have same data even here. So let's write select cust ID, comma. I need all the columns for now, or let's take only required columns. Flight number they are not using, so let's remove that one. Destination from flights. These are my columns. Let's check the column name, destination. Okay, let's run now. Yeah, we got the columns what we need. Let's generate the new column based on the row number. Row number over partition by, this is the important one, partition by cust ID. For each customer, I want to generate IDs. Order by nothing, just so I will use null value. Order by nothing means I will use null value. This is as a sequence. Okay, this is my sequence of journey. Okay, let's run one more time. So if you see, this is my sequence. He traveled Delhi to Hyderabad, then Hyderabad to Kochi, then Kochi to Mangalore. So I'm saying this is my sequence. For traveling Delhi to Mangalore, what is the sequence? This is the step 1, this is step 2, this is step 3. For customer 2, for traveling Mumbai to Delhi, he traveled in step 1, he traveled Mumbai to Varanasi and Varanasi to Delhi. That is step 2. So I generated sequence of numbers. So this is step 1. So once you generated the step 1, then step 2 and step 3 is bit easy. So what we will do in step 2 is just copy this one. This is our step 2. In step 2, by using this one, what I will do is, for each customer, what is the minimum value? This one, right? 1 and 1. The minimum value for always is 1. For minimum value, whatever the origin, I will take that one. Means this one I will take. This one I will take. This is the starting point. This is the starting point. So let's take minimum value for both the customers. So I generated rank. So let's use CTE with CTE as, I will use this one. Instead of CTE, let's use some different ranked flights. Okay, this is my CTE. Now let's run one more time. Let's check the name. Is it correct or not? Incorrect with CTE as, then from is missing. So let's run one more time. Yeah, this is correct. So let's use the CTE. So first flight as, by using above query, by using above table, select customer ID, select customer ID origin from my above table, that is this one, from above table, where this is main thing in step 2. Our column name is sequence. Okay, sequence should be equivalent to 1. I am taking origin here. So customer ID, origin, customer ID and origin. That's it. So let's run data from this particular table. What is this table? First flight is my table. So this is, you already aware, just we are generating the row number. For that we gave one name. By using this table, I am creating one more CTE. In the CTE, I am using above table. In the CTE, just I am picking columns with one condition, that is sequence equals to 1. So let's run once. Let's run one more time. We got origin and destination. Okay, this is step 1. Let's see step 3. Similar like step 2, step 3 also same. What is step 3 means? You are picking first value, right? If you pick last value, then that is nothing but your destination, right? For example, earlier we pick 1 means starting value. If we pick last value, that is your destination. If I pick last value, that to this one, destination. If I pick destination, then that is your final destination. Okay, so let's do same way. Let's remove this one. Same way, one more CTE. This is final flight, last flight. Okay, let's remove this one. Customer ID I need. Here I need destination. Okay, here I need destination from ranked flight, where here this is tricky one. Here we have to use max 1. So for that I will write max 1, not from the entire table, based on the customer. Here the max 1 for this particular customer is 3 and for this particular customer is 2. So we need to write in this way. Max, yes, max sequence only, but ranked flights equivalents to, select this one, ranked flight sequence, ranked flights. Here let's use some alias inner. Let's use inner on. Let's use where here, where correlated subquery I'm using, or if dot sequence, not sequence, customer ID equivalents to this table, customer ID, cust ID. Okay, so instead of picking max value directly from table, for this particular customer one, what is the max value? For second customer, what is the second max value? So that is what I am doing. Let's close the bracket here. Okay, now let's see what is happening in second city. Last flight. Okay, now we got the destination also. We got the source and we got the destination. Just we need to join them based on the, now these two are in different tables. First flight details in different tables, second data set is in different tables. Let's join them. Let's join them. First flight join with last flight on first flight dot customer ID equivalents to last flight customer ID. Just we are joining because I need all the columns. Customer ID is available in both the tables, so I'm using that column, but origin available in first flight, destination is available in second last flight. So if you see, from first flight we have origin, from last flight we have destination, but I need both the columns. So due to that reason I'm joining both the ones. So we got Delhi and Mangalore, Mumbai and Delhi. Since we use star, we got both the customers. So let's use from one table, let's take cust ID, comma, cust ID dot origin, let's take origin, then last flight dot destination. That's it. We got the respected outputs. So this query seems to be lengthy, but the logic is very simple. Just generate the sequence. Just to generate the sequence in step 1, just to generate the sequence. Once you generated this sequence, then it is very easy. This is our starting point. So starting point, you will always have rank equals to 1. For starting position, the rank is always 1 only. Even here also, the starting position is always 1 only. What is your starting position? Origin. Origin will have the starting position, right? And destination will have the ending position, ending destination details. So that will end up with max value. Always it is max value. So that is what I am doing. Initially I am taking rank 1. Then later in step 3 I am taking max value. That too for each customer. So due to that reason I am using this correlated subquery here. In step 3 I am using this correlated subquery. Now okay, I am taking max value only, but max value for each customer. For each customer I am taking. Once you generated step 2 and step 3, now you have origin in one table and destination in another table. Just you need to join them. Now okay, then you will get to the expected output. So thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos.